All right, what's good, everybody? The market just opened. Good morning. Let's have a look. What do we have? Hey, let's do this shit, bro. $20.26, huh? $20.26. Very good. Let's go. What's happening, everybody? All right, let's wait for the best possible setups to come around, and we go from there. Alrighty. Bam, 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 bam. All right. Usually, the right of the market open, we all have a choice, right? Right at the market open, if you're like, oh, I'm getting a little bit nervous, there's heaps of things going on in my brain, that butterfly effect in your freaking tummy. um, you have a choice. You don't have to execute the trade right at the market open. Sit back. You understand what I'm saying? And it'll literally save you so much money and so much stress. Not just about money, so much stress, man. Like, it's the confidence that you it's the confidence that that it saves you. That's next level. Look how the market just opened and everything's flying. So take it easy. Love how you do that. At first I didn't appreciate your patience, but I do now, right? Because at first a lot of people have a notion in their brain when they first join the Discord, or when they first like, man, why is he not taking a trade? This is moving. But eventually you learn, you know what? the the best trade most of the time, about 99% of the time in our field, the best trade is sitting cash. 1% of the time when it's time to execute, you want to execute like a freaking machine, right? And also, it's a fun game, bro. Let's get to it. No, 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 no. Friday, all you need is one good trade, fam. Let's wait for the perfect one. He said, not every hole needs to be. Oh my god, Mr. Tears. Hello. Not every hole needs to be poked. That's the word. My goodness. My goodness. Oh my god. Very good. The market better give us a trade. Chat getting freaky early morning. Let's go. Said I'm unable to join Zoom. Bro, send us a screenshot. What does it say on the? Send us a screenshot there. AMD. Not gonna. I'm looking for something that is a simple LTP, fam. Just a normal LTP setup. Just a um, decent push, little pullback, or a little flag, and then take the trade. Thoughts on Meta? Depends. Thoughts like hell. In the middle of NTZ, there's 200 moving average on the hourly chart at the bottom, at the top. Sorry, middle of NTZ, middle of pre-market zone. Yeah, gotta wait for something to break out of the demand supply zones that we have right now. Same goes for Nvidia, yo. Middle of the pre-market zone. We have SPY, which is outside yesterday's range for now. Yeah, SPY is outside your yesterday's range. I'll be watching SPY above. SPY stop loss too wide, actually. 80 cents wide stop loss. Oh, we can do probably Monday expiration if you're looking for it. Stop loss too wide, fam. Just be careful. If you're gonna do it, man, be careful. I might not. As much as I want to, I might not. Yeah, I might not be able to do that. Yeah. And also, you know, he said it went too quick. For first 5 seconds of the candle, do not ever execute a trade. Right at the first 5 seconds, you'll see 9 out of 10 times it's a little trap that gives. It won't give you like not a trap as such, but it will give you a very 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 trashy fill price. Even if the trade goes in your favor and it's moving in your favor, you'll still be losing money because first 5 seconds the IV, if it starts going in your direction, the IV would go crazy. I don't know if anybody noticed, like if anybody jumped in SPY, I promise you red right now, even though the trade has moved in your favor like 40 cents, you still gonna be like probably break even or red. Am I right? You'd be up like fucking $2. This is what happens within the first 5 seconds of the candle open. Said Nvidia would have been nice. Yeah, I mean, we had Felix, I think, called out Nvidia. Nvidia could have been decent. It was just within pre-market range, and I wasn't willing to risk it. But yeah, no problem. We'll get something. Actually, Meta looks. I know you like trade Meta. Meta looks not bad. Stop loss wide though. No. Oracle PC. I don't trade Oracle, bro. I'm getting comfortable trading this PLTR lately. I don't trade Oracle as much. Yeah, if my brother is on the voice, then it's different story because he trades that stuff. He's backtested this stuff. Yeah, I haven't. So is today's shirt also from Italy? None. This is not. This is some cheap shit, bro. This is something that I bought from bought online. It's a Timu. Hey, nah. The shirt game is sick. I know. Let's go. this is, I think there's this store that I absolutely love. I think I've bought every single thing from this store. For all the men, like this is genuinely good stuff. The quality is good. Let me see if I can find it for you. It's called Marcivo. Marcivo. Yeah, the shirts. Marcivo on Shopify. They, yeah, I think I've bought pretty much everything from the store. They have some good stuff. Okay, and it's not expensive either. You see, we us saying no to the spy, bro, saved us so much. It's the mental stress that you save. It's the confidence that you save. You understand what I'm saying? Even though it hasn't hit the stop loss yet, it's just so much mental stress that you save by just saying no sometimes if the trader is not looking A plus. So Meta is good. Meta was good for Ashley because she just won't trade at Meta. Fuck my. Yeah. Or also my cousin as well. My cousin loves Meta. He will literally drop everything else. If I say Meta, he's trading it. He's in the chat as well. Yeah. Alright, fam. We're waiting for something sexy set up, man. There's nothing yet. Probably we gotta wait for Nvidia to give us an entry. Nvidia is looking not bad. Essentially, in just Nvidia. So the Meta paid, yeah. Your cousin profitable, of course, bro. Think about this. My cousin was making about. I think my cousin was making about $1,000 or 15. No, actually, no. He's a truck driver. He was making about 2,000 a week from his driving the truck job. He still does the job. I think now he does roughly the same number from trading as well per week. Not bad, bro. Add to the money. Now he's in Australia. Lives in Australia. Lives in Sydney. PLTR. Where's the entry, my sir? AMD. Don't like the 940 candle. 938 candle. 940 candle. Massive 204 level at the top. Massive. Did SPY? I heard you SPY fucking six time. Stop loss too wide, man. Way too wide, my J. 90 cents. Fuck my. Also the volume kind of crappy as well. No. See if Nvidia gives us a pullback. Talon, that'll be nice. Meta for a trade. Ooh. I mean, Meta does look good because we have a gap fill at the bottom till 655. It's just the stop loss is on Meta $3 wide. I don't know. Did you buy XPEV yet? Not yet, bro. I dropped my plan in the chat the other day. I'm waiting for it to get into the zone. All right, let's quickly take some names out of the list. I got Meta, which is looking nice. AMD looking trendy. Spy looking trendy. You got QQQ still in yesterday's range. So you got Spy, Meta, AMD, Nvidia, and that's it. These are the sexiest names right now. So we're gonna wait for some entry on any of these four. When you buying Jesse's call out today actually? No. When it gets in the zone, I think he dropped the zones. Usually I make a plan for my long terms and stuff over the weekend. All right, last 30 seconds. Let's see, what do we have? One Spy. Nvidia is not a trade right now. Meta. AMD not a trade. Spy stop loss getting wide, man. All right, I'll keep an eye on Spy and Meta, both LTP normal setups. I don't know. Somehow I'm not very comfortable about this Spy. I don't know. Maybe the chart looks a little bit weird to me. You just maybe call me a pussy. Uh, first trade of the day. Usually I'm a little bit like this. You see what I'm saying? It's a 400, 4 hour 200 average at the top. Yeah, and also the chart kind of looks a little bit trashy as well. Like it's making a new highs with a crappy volume if you pay attention to this right now. Not looking the sexiest. Yeah, still 80 cents wide. 80 cent wide stop loss as well. Yeah. Alright, don't worry about that Spy. We'll see if we get a entry on Meta for now. AMD is not a trade, my brother. Yeah, Meta would be for puts, bro, because the trend is toward the downside. We are holding the Fibonacci's. It really depends on how this candle kind of closes. The way the candle's looking right now, it's looking nice. As you can see, the green candles have a lot of volume. Oh, sorry, the red candles have a lot of volume pushing toward the downside. The green pullback that you're seeing doesn't have enough volume. You switch to quickly to 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart looks not bad either. Decent push towards the downside and a pullback. So yeah, Meta could be the one. Getting rejected of 0.382 below 661.1. Stop loss goes on the other side, 660 of this fib level that we have, 663.4ish. We'll see if it gets below 661.1, I guess. What's the Meta contracts? They're asking for a kidney or what? It's anti-Z, yes, but there's a gap at the bottom, bro. I'm looking forward for the gap if it does a gap fill. Meta contract's not that bad actually. It's not the sexiest. Doesn't have enough volume. It's been 20 minutes in the market open, has already made such a massive move towards the downside, and there's only freaking 1600 volume on the puts. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't watch 400 on hourly, bro. Yeah, we'll pay attention to this Meta below. Spy's pumping still. Come on, Spy, you gotta give me a fucking nice entry, darling. Stop playing games. Meta looking nice, even more sexier on the next candle. Oh, fuck, Meta, he looks so good. Below 660, 1.5. Yeah, Meta below 660, 1.5, looking so good. Fuck my. What strike on Meta? You can do 655. Yeah, 665, 655 or 660 puts, bro. Well, entry hasn't triggered yet. Tesla does look good, bro. Tesla does look good. Yeah. For a simple LTP, Tesla does look pretty sexy. Yeah, the Tesla looks sexy. Day before yesterday, we had a critical level of this for 9.25-ish. If it breaks above that, 412. Fuck my. Looking nice. I'm watching this Meta. Ask just broke. Alright, picked up a few contracts on this Meta. Oh man, I fucking paid for somebody's holiday, I reckon, with this fill price. Fuck my. Oh shit, nah, my bad. Nah, I'm not saying anything bad, bro. Those contracts moving, darling. My bad, Meta. Those contracts going. Alright, let's see. 459.7 breaks. Shit, those contracts are fucking paying so good. Hey, y'all. How good are those contracts moving? Oh my goodness. Fuck my. Insane. Jeez. Faria. Alright, let's see if this can touch the low of the day. Fucking hell. Come on, darling, low of the day. Give me low of the day, 658. We're going to take a little bit profits at low of the day. The risk to reward looking too sexy to not take profits. Alright, low of the day. Darling, let's go. Alright. Take a little bit profits. Y'all. Fuck yeah. Shit. Fucking like a sniper. Good. Fuck yeah. What a fucking, oh my goodness. What a trade, man. What a trade. Alright, congratulations everybody. Take a little bit off. And we let these runners run. Whoa. Hey, what are these contracts paid? What are these 655 paid? I did this fucking 660 puts. What are these 655 contracts paid? Not bad, is it? Patience pays the patient hand that waits patiently to be paid. That's what's up. Let's go. Very good. Very, very good. 26-year-old trillionaire crashes the market, bro. I swear to God, people have no sense of humor. They're motherfucking lame as fuck. You're a billionaire? There's no way. Of course, fucking Sherlock. Hey, he lame as fuck, motherfucker. Like, all right, good. Hold your runners with a break-even stop loss, man. Good, very good. So what I'm gonna do, usually this is what I do on names that I'm like, especially on a Friday, bro, because a little bit of a contract will pay you really good. So set your alert. Like for example, set your alert at 6:59. If the price crosses 6:59, your alert will go off. Now you do not have to look at this. If it keeps going in your favor, sweet. You understand what I'm saying? So set your alert at 6:55.4. So you can take profits at 6:55, set your alert at 6:59ish, just in general if it started bounce, so you can go have a look if your break even triggered, and you don't have to keep fucking babysitting this trade and just focus on something else. Once you're already up a little bit, why not? Tesla looking nice. Oh my goodness, yeah, the Tesla chart looks so clean. PLTR no entry. Tesla chart looks so good. All right, I'm watching this Tesla jet about 4:0. Oh man, fucking pull back a little bit down. Stop loss was looking so sexy all of a sudden. Now it doesn't look sexy. I mean, it still looks sexy, but stop loss is a little bit wide. Like, a little bit wide means $2 wide stop loss. It was looking beautiful before. There's news coming out in 2 minutes. Thank you. Thank you, bro. Yeah, there's news coming out in a couple of minutes. Y'all, maybe the best bet right now is to just take it easy. So reversal on SPY, break of structure has happened. It could be nice. It could be nice, bro. So when buying Meta, did you do market order or limit? I just did market order, bro. I did market order for 20 contracts. Anytime I'm doing anything more than like 30, 40,000 position size, that's when I'm a little bit more concerned. But anything less, man, I'm not. It's usually pretty decent. All right, y'all. What I was saying was reversal play on SPY could be nice, bro. But there's news coming out, so that pretty much makes it a gamble, unless or until we already are in a trade and you're already up. Like for example, in this case, Meta, it's a different story. You see what I'm saying? Bro, those Meta contracts are fucking 70%. All right, look, the alert went off. Now we're gonna fucking take a little bit of profit at 6:55. All right, is it thing, guys? Take a little bit off 6:55. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. If you only have one runner, probably you can hold through the fucking news. If you can digest a little bit of a quick move, you can hold through this news. But have you? Let's see if this fucking news makes the price push down. Come on, darling. Let's go. One quick leg down, one quick leg down, one quick leg down. Let's go. All right, not bad at all. Not quick enough. All right, give it a fucking second. 30 seconds after the news. Not bad at all. Okay, these contracts fucking paying. I feel free to take a little bit more off, y'all. Take a little bit more off. If you have one contract, you can hold. But if you have anything more than one, feel free to take a little bit more off. Not bad at all. Fuck yeah. Beautiful executions, everybody. Congratulations. It paid. Darling, that shit paid. Over $400 a contract. Nearly $450 a contract. Fuck yeah. Let's go. Good executions. Congratulations. Let's go. 100% on that trade. That means we doubled our money. Good. Fuck it, darling. How good? So, bro, it's time. It is time, my G. It is time. 100% play. Fuck, 30 minutes. Hey, you know what? We've been doing this 30-minute workday from last few days. Let's do. Let's post another video about this 30-minute workday. Somebody got upset yesterday. What do you mean 30-minute workday? You were still trading fucking 1 hour. And I'm like, bro, calm the fuck down, motherfucker. Shit. Act like my ex, never happy with shit. He bloody whinging all the time too, fuck's sake. Congratulations, everybody. What a fucking trade, man. Hang on. Where the fucking video at? On my Hey, calm down. Alright, we caught this entire push towards the downside on Meta. Literally called out live every single thing. Hey, everybody, if you guys took this play, you know what? We are a family, bro. Say family in the chat, y'all. What a fucking trade, darling. $700 a contract at its peak. Let's fucking go. This is what's up. Hey, it's still going. 650. We're gonna take a little bit more off. Let's fucking go. Like a family, baby. That's what's up. That's it. This day trading field is so weird, bro. You will have people that you meet on Discord who will literally be the biggest supporters, and people who know you for life will literally look away. How good is that? This is family now, darling. Let's go. You see what I'm saying? This is family now. I love it, man. I love this shit. I love this game. Let's go, y'all. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. 650. It's got, man. Way too fucking sexy of a trade. Way too sexy. Congratulations. Yeah. Feel free to take a little bit more off, bro. If it ain't gonna be us, who the fuck's it gonna be? Take a little bit more off. If you have one contract, you can hold. As I keep repeating over and over again, if you have one contract, you can hold. Let's go. Yeah, if you have one contract and it breaks below 650, bro, we like it's going 648 fairly quick. So the risk to reward that you have, like, because you're risking nothing, you know, you already have made the money. It's pretty decent. So the reward's pretty much for free at this stage. If it breaks 650, it's just gonna be sexy. Nah, Tesla looks like shit, Jay. Doesn't look sexy. I think the reason why I'm not a fucking fan of Tesla right now is, number one, stop loss too wide. Number two, we have SPY made a freaking decent push toward the downside. You know, kind of looking meh. Let's see how far this pullback gonna be. If we can get an entry. Something. This ends my third week in a row green. I needed to know that. Let's go, Jacob. Let's get him, my brother. Congratulations. Welcome to your new life, bro. Hey, how good was the interview? From yesterday? That's it, bro. Amazing, isn't it? It gives you... next interview's coming with Chloe. Chloe started with $1,000 account. Chloe started with $1,000 account in November, and now on average she's doing $1,000 to $1,500 profit a day. Started with 1,000. What was the position size at 1,000? How did you grow that to a stage where you pull in $1,000 to $1,500 a day? That's the one. Next week I have an interview with Lewis. Lewis started trading last year with me in March. Kind of was trading for a while, couldn't figure it out. Been a few years, was in the game. He had a decent account size. When I say decent, like 5-figure trading account size. He Towards the end of last year, he pulled out 900,000 from the market. This year, he's up like 200,000 already. So that's Lewis becomes my second millionaire student. Second millionaire student, Mr. Lewis, bro. Second, oh fuck, that's so crazy, bro. So crazy. From last year, March to now. Who's the first? First was Adarsh. Yeah. Let's go, y'all. That's it, man. It is the only thing standing between you all right now and that trophy that you have, and it's gonna be a full silver, solid silver fucking trophy on Vegas that we're gonna do. For a millionaire trader, you're gonna be full solid fucking silver trophy, massive from me, and that's what's up. You see, only thing standing between you and that point is time. So let's keep fucking doing, keep pushing, bro. All right, y'all. Congratulations, everybody who held that meta below through the 650. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, darling. Let's go. 648. If you have one contract, you hold that one contract. As I said before, you hold that one contract. Don't sell. Fucking, there's no point selling. If it started bouncing, we'll worry about it. All right. You have one contract, you just fucking hold. If you have anything more than one, 648 take a little bit off, because the money is made. The fuck you money is only made when you hold runners. That's where fuck you money is made. Yeah, you might get, you might pay bills with your freaking first profit taking, but when you want to buy luxury, that's only happens with runners. Exactly. First profits keep you in the game. Runners build wealth. Thank you. For anybody who has more than one contract or you have decent position size, for us it's time to take a little bit off at 648. For everybody else, one contract you hold. How fucking good is that? 300% on, man. What a fucking crazy shit, isn't it? Hey, everybody, post your gains in the gains channel. Even if you did a small position size, bro, you up fucking printing money. You see what I'm saying? Even if you did small position size, you made fuck ton of money. He said, first 4-figure day, baby. Let's go, y'all. Post your gains in the gains channel. Let's have a look. While we wait for the next setup, post your gains in the gains channel. Said I was NVIDIA. Nah, bro. Fuck. Look like shit. Yeah. Are there no other plays, or is the meta the only thing people are looking at for the day? I mean, there are no other plays right now. Bro, meta was a nearly $15 move towards the downside that we caught. So, you see what I'm saying? Said if for the last contract, if it reclaims 650, should we get out? I'll let you guys know. If you have last one runner running, I'll let you know when to jump out. You hold on to that motherfucker, bro. All right. That's it. I'll let you know. Really depends on the volume push and all this. I'll let you know. I'm keeping an eye as well, bro, because I wanna take some off as well. Nvidia, nah, bro. The pullback is too wild. That 9:55 and 10 o'clock candle pullback too wild. SPY is being a little bit wild right now. It's all right. I'm hoping that Meta gives us another entry toward the downside. Because if it breaks below the 648, we're good to go, bro. This thing's going down probably 644. Oh, that's another $6 move down. Guys, do not do the same mistake that I did yesterday, where I held on to the same contracts of PLTR, and then day before yesterday, or yesterday, I think it was day before yesterday, we held on to the same contracts, and it took me forever to get out of a trade. Make sure you keep rolling your position size, all right? Make sure you keep rolling the trade. Everybody understand? That means you get into you sell the 655 or whatever puts you holding, you get into something at the money. Is a rolling trade. That's why I keep telling you guys, bro, do the modules. Modules talk about this. Yeah, buy the next contract essentially, so it's not going too far in the money, you know. Alright, SPY getting rejected. Let's see if this one gives a trade on another trade on Meta. Easiest setup I ever saw. Right? Free money, man, at this stage. Come on, Meta, you fuck with. Man. My bad, y'all, my bad. The crazy, the trade's still going. Yeah, I mean, you know, it's clearly weak. No, that's why it's fallen. So there's no reason for us to sell. Hey, is anybody, my little bit commentary that I'm doing on holding your runners, has anybody able to hold these runners because I'm being fucking telling you don't fucking sell? Yeah. All right. Otherwise, you guys would have jumped out fucking with the $20 gains. Nobody goes broke taking profits. Nah. Nobody gets rich taking small profits, bro. All right, good. Let's see, I personally believe because SPY, QQQs, they're both kind of closing below the VWAP, even though it's not giving us an entry on Meta, it's just is bearish as fuck for overall. Because when SPY was pushing towards the upside, Meta was pushing towards the downside. If SPY pushes towards the downside hard, Meta is gonna melt. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm looking forward to that. Close below the VWAP. SPY close below the VWAP, yes. So when can I sell this Meta runners? Not now, bro. That's a question. The answer is not now. You hold. So is it too late to jump in Meta right now, bro? About $1,000 a contract late, sir. Yeah, only $1,000 a contract. My G, what were we doing before? Fuck, moi. Yeah, it's too late, y'all. It's too late for fucking Meta. It hasn't given us an entry. It's not even a question right now. If you enter now, you're gonna pay for the holiday for some people. I'm trying to see if there's any other trade that I can leverage this on. SPX basketball. Yeah, not really. greedy, bro, because they already broke above that 930 candle, already pushed above that. Nah, I'm not watching that. No, I want to see Meta get down to 644 ish. That'll be nice. Yeah. Otherwise there's no trade setting up right now. Nothing. Across the market, nothing. Man, what a fucking simple trade. We did a gap fill, we had a gap fill in mind, and as soon as the gap fill happened, the momentum picked up. And what did I talk about this past Sunday? Does this ring any bells now? The last session that we did this past Sunday, does this ring any bells, anybody? You're like, oh my god, this is exactly what we spoke on this past Sunday, Gamma Squeeze. And that's exactly what's happening on Meta. Fuck my. Now I understand there you might be like, oh, but there's no big dynamite level breaking. No, these little gap fills that you see in the market, these are also considered as in like a big fucking thing. If this gap fill goes through, we're good to go. Now, so we have broken 650. Now, if the momentum picks up for the downside, I'm just thinking how bad it could get. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, of course, 666 is a dynamite as well. I mean, said, somebody said, I swear to God, bro, I thought you said calls. Very good, bro. Very good. I think Jeff asked me the question, Meta for puts, yeah, and I said, and I broke down the trade. Bro. Hey, wasn't it? Jeff, you asked the question, wasn't it? Yeah. And I broke it down for you. Very good. No. All right. It's a simple. It's the most simplest entry. That made me solid 450 exactly. Yeah, exactly. Call this crazy. If you tell me that you missed out on puts because you were, busy playing with your ding dong, whatever, yeah, no problem. If you tell me that you jumped in calls, nah, that's where I have a problem. You understand what I'm saying? That's where I got a problem, bro. Very good. There is no entry right now. Now, if you're holding one contract, fam, you can hold this. You can still hold. The reason why I'm so confident about this as a hold, I keep telling you guys to hold, is the only reason is there is going to be a pullback. If that 945 pullback wasn't there, this big leg down would not have happened. So there is a pullback that happens in the market after a big move. So the question is, simply gets, what happens after the pullback, and am I going to be a part of it? The only thing that I'm not fucking loving to that point right now is probably going to be this bullish engulfing candle that we saw in the last 10 seconds or 15 seconds of the previous candle. We pushed towards the upside, and we made a 5-minute candle made a bullish engulfing. These contracts still sitting at over 100%. So I'll let you know within a couple of minutes. I'll find out. Will it be smart to take six? Guys, how is it ads any different than a new trade? Just answer. Just tell me this: how is adding to a trade any different than a new trade all of its own? It's not, right? So that means, would you add right now to, or would you take a trade right now on Meta? Doesn't matter how the trade has gone. If you just ignore what has happened before, you wouldn't. So how is it add when it comes to adding? You understand what I'm saying? So, yeah. Right now, nothing. So you said to roll the contracts. Did I misunderstand? Rolling the contract simply means even when the trade is moving in your favor, you buy the next contracts and you sell the previous one that you were holding. Make sense? That's what rolling the contracts means. It just means you get into the next contracts. I think video number in module 12 I talk about this. I can also send you the rolling. I can send you a recording. I think I did this session on this ages ago, but it's still relevant. Let me see if I can find it. Boom, got it. All right, go watch this after you're done trading, fam. Go take this. This is a recording of the session that I did, how to roll the contracts with example, so you will understand what I mean. All right, y'all. Meta reversal. That doesn't look like a reversal. It just look like a probably break. Probably bouncing off the 648 zone. We get a little another entry and we smack it again. Maybe we'll see. That's a young Sumesh right there. Dang. Right? Those recordings, that's young Sumesh. All right, let's see if Meta gets a little entry here for puts. Man, as soon as it's fucking entry for puts, that bitch fucking rejects. God damn, bro, calm down a little bit, Meta. So maybe pin the recording for the future chat people. Bro, do you really think people are gonna pay attention to the pin recording? They don't fucking pay attention to the freaking modules, bro. They don't watch the modules. Do you think they're gonna go out of their way to go to the pin and they go to the freaking particular video and then watch the video while we keep crying to watch the modules? No. Right. What's right? It hasn't given us a entry yet, bro. So the entry probably will look into the last 30 seconds of the candle. How do you manage your stop loss when rolling in contracts? Nothing changes about the contracts, bro. Now, this is literally it. You watch the video, you will understand. Leo, the video that I sent you above. It's like I can give you a quick explanation, but you know what? I'd rather have you watch a 1 hour session, detailed session about it so you understand the full concept than a 1 minute quick breakdown. So module 16 is never ending. I mean, I can cut down some videos from it if you guys want. Actually was planning to make it even more bigger. Hey, you know what I'm saying? I was planning to even add more shit to it. Because anybody who has reached module 16, they don't give a fuck if the module's long. They know that this is exactly what they need. Yeah. All right, y'all. Meta. Paying attention to Meta now. Meta below 651. We'll see how it goes. $650, 650 probably. Yeah, actually probably 650. Depends, 645 or 650. 645 maybe. Maybe 645, yeah. Stop loss not too wide. Not really, bro, to be honest, because it's like a $3 wide stop loss, especially after we know how crazy has been moving all day. Because a lot of people would have put their stop loss. A lot of people would have gone long on this trade on Meta as a reversal, and they would have put their stop loss on the just underneath the 650. So this is exactly the play that we will have. Like if it breaks below 651 and then breaks 650, you will trigger a lot of stop losses. You can make a quick move towards the downside. And I'm all for it, bro. Exactly. All right, let's see if Nvidia chart just reset itself. Now we gotta wait for Nvidia to give us an entry. So at what point do these runners on Meta become a point where I sell? Um, at what point? Probably around this 655-ish mark. Within this candle, we'll know. If it starts getting rejected of this, because it's a zone right here, if it starts getting rejected of this, it will be really, really nice. If it's not, that becomes this point where probably the juice has left the chat for now. Find out. Google. I don't like that 10-15 candle on Google, bro. Just from a quick glance, 10-15 candle looks like meh. Yeah. What are we doing with Meta? Like as in your runners or as in a new trade? Your runners, it'll really depend after this candle, to be honest. So far, it's looking decent. New trade would be below 651 for now. We'll see. Nothing yet. Hunter said up 5,100 this week. Let's go. Like meaning if it goes under 651, I get in for 645 puts. Yes. Depends. That's the plan for right now, because the plan will literally changes every single candle. You see what I'm saying? So the plan changes every single candle, because a new LTP is formed every single candle, new patience candle formed every single candle. So we gotta reassess the risk. After this candle, the reassessing of the risk would be, then it would be too close to six. Then it would be a little bit decent further away from 650. Then we'll have to watch 650 as a level, and then you calculate risk to reward based off that. Does the risk to reward make sense? It probably will not. So maybe it won't be a trade. That makes sense? Does that make sense to anybody? Yeah. On a previous candle, it was like only $1 away, 650 breaking, could just not melt. Probably would not make sense for the next candle. All right. For the runners, Meta 655. Heavy runners, heavy runners ready to go. Man, those runners still fucking few $100 a contract. Heavy stop loss on the runners ready to go. Still in profit. I'm gonna watch this. If we fail below the 655, we should be good for this. If not, if it tries to keep on pushing towards the upside, we gotta jump out. Let's see if it breaks below 655 for the runners. Then I'm gonna sit back and not micromanage. Holding the 655, the bids and ask are holding. Get your ass down. Bids have broken. Let's see if the ask breaks. Bids and ask still holding. It's trying. That's for sure. 655. By the way, anybody took profits on this Meta at the bottom 648-ish? Anybody jumped took profits there. They have to be for people who holding a few contracts. Bro, what a fucking trade, man. Absolutely sick. I know. Like an insane trade. You want to talk trade? This is the trade. You see? Let's see if 655 breaks. I'm gonna leave these runners and no worry about them then. He said did not have any more run. Right, bro. 655 holding so far. Okay, all right. For the runners, this is I'm about to talk about the stop loss for the runners. If this current candle that we are in, this 5-minute candle that we are in, if this candle goes green, sell your runners. Sweet. Everybody understood? If this current 5-minute candle turns green, sell your runners. Sweet. Otherwise, hold. All right. I'm not going to talk about it again, about this, because somebody will literally jump into the play. Because somebody said, all right, are we talking about meta new entry? No, bro, we're just talking about the freaking runners. So, yeah, if this candle turns green, sell, otherwise hold. All right. What else? Let's see if NVIDIA gives us an entry. Are you in QQQ put? Bro, when did I call our QQQ puts? Hey. I swear to God, bro, you guys hear shit. Fuck my. You guys, he does my bloody head in sometimes. All right. This candle turned green. Feel free to jump out of your fucking runners, whatever you're holding, fam. This is it. Good. Spot on. Bruh, so many people are on meth right now. Nah, I don't know. Maybe it's my accent. It has to be my accent. Only thing that I connect the dots with is it gotta be my accent. You see what I'm saying? Like, very good. He said, I think they're just fucking with you. I don't think so, bro, because I think he asked like three times.
This is American Somesh's mom. Stop being a fuckwit. Thanks.
That American accent enough? Hey, fuck, boy. Thanks. Very good. Okay, y'all. Let's see. Let's see what do we have. If there's anything setting up. AMD, nah, man, fucking look like shit, bro. Do you not see how the price has been getting rejected at the same level, 2 or 6.5, few times, and you wanna buy into the freaking the zone? Oh my god, Jay, look at this, y'all. Pay attention to this. How many? If you're watching my screen right now, you'll see this. Look, I might be fucking wrong, and 10 minutes later might look stupid. But here's the thing: day trading is all about not about being right or wrong. Day trading is all about freaking. You have a thesis, you execute on that thesis. You understand what I'm saying? So right now we have massive. If you flip this chart, let's say if you flip this chart, and it'll be a little bit easier to explain. Flip this chart, boom. This is a swimming pool that you're about to jump into. The swimming pool's literally this shallow. Would you jump in it from fucking height? Knowing that last 4 people who jumped in, they got their fucking legs cooked. Because last 4 times it bounced off heavy. Would you do that? You won't. So it's the same theory here. We're buying into the support, buying into the resistance, and you don't essentially want to do that because this is a massive zone. If it was one little line, man, running across at the top like a little fucking line, it's a different story. You know, you can manage. But when it comes to a zone, it's a little, yeah, it's a little different. Yeah, it's a little different. All right. How did you flip that chart? I know, right, Ashley? Because my brain executes better when the charts. I don't know. This is probably this is something stupid, but I realized that I can execute the trades so much more cleaner, so much more better when the prices are moving towards the upside. I when the prices when the candles are moving down, my brain just shuts down. I don't know. It's fucking something to do with the red candles. Fucking, I'm scared of red candles, or maybe I learned how to trade when the market, this whole COVID push was happening. Um, yes, some people are the way. My brother's the other way. So what I do on my other screen is I literally will literally switch the charts. You click on the right hand on the where the numbers are, click on it, and it says invert scale. It'll just flip. I can manage the trade so much better when when everything's pushing towards the upside anyway. So even if when I'm trading puts, I invert it. So I'm still trading. It's just tricking your brain, bro. You gotta do whatever you need to do. So can we do AMD puts then? I mean, your stop loss is gonna be on the other side of the zone. It's a very wide zone. You see what I'm saying? Right? There's a lot of times because here's the thing. There's a lot of times, a lot of trades that you see in the market. A lot of times, it's not about just jumping into a trade. It's more about not jumping into trades, like saving money, saving their confidence. Think about this: if anybody would have jumped in the AMD, you would have got yourself cooked. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like, it's just mentally you getting yourself cooked. It's not the best thing. Yeah. Anyway, what next? That's what I'm getting better at. I was over trading before. Let's go. This is my first day in live. Let's go. Let's go. How do you feel? Overwhelmed? First day is usually a little bit overwhelming. Like, oh my god, there's so much happening at the same time. Hey, you'll figure it out. What do you think of Tesla? Tesla chart looks nice. The Tesla charts look not bad at all. Tesla chart looks not bad at all. About 411, I reckon. For 12.5 or 415 calls, or you can even do Monday expiration as well, y'all. Just in case you want to drop your risk a little bit, you can do Monday expiration as well. Yeah, I'm watching this Tesla above 411 for 12.5 or 415 calls. All right, we'll watch this Tesla. SPY chart needs to reset, man. Maybe a little bit of wait for it to make a new high of the day so the charts can reset themselves after a big pullback. Chart looking crappy. Best bet is wait for a retest. Next level is 412.2 on this Tesla. 411 hold in. All right, y'all, I'm in this trade now. Again, nothing fucking crazy as position size. I was speaking about this past couple of weeks ago on a Sunday call. All these breakouts and shit, the re-entries we do, don't do crazy position size. I don't know if anybody remember. Don't do crazy position sizes. But once a trade starts moving in your favor, it's a different story. Then we can add always. Yeah, above 411 is what it looks nice. Come on, darling. It'll really pay, bro. If it gets to your the next levels that you have, it'll really pay. Trying to see what the next level on the charts, like genuinely looks where exactly the next level would be. Could go on a 10-minute chart to find out, I guess. Yeah, the next level is gonna be 412.7 actually. Yeah, coming from day before yesterday. Let's see how this one goes. Can we get to 412.7? So what trade are you in, bro? I'm in Tesla calls, bro. I even yeah, you can also see my channel as well, y'all. Every single trade is called out in my channel. All right. Yeah, this is definitely draining my energy. Fuck, boy, too many fucking too many. What's a word I'm looking for? Too many questions on shit that shouldn't be even a question. Fuck. Puts, calls, fucking bro. What do you fucking think? That's why I say do the modules, man. I love you, but fuck my. You know what I'm saying? You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. Come on, y'all. You got to pump it up. That's it, darling. Pump, 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 pump. Fuck yeah. Pump it up. Hey, hey, fuck yeah, y'all. Let's go. Hey, by the way, Nvidia looks nice. I just realized Nvidia looking sexy. Hey, y'all, why did nobody fucking call out Nvidia in the chat? I call out every single trade. Fuck me, you can't call out something I'm not watching? Very, 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 very mean. That's very, very selfish. Right? I'm watching this Nvidia above. Essentially, it looks nice, especially if it gets above this 182.75. Stop loss probably 80 MA or some shit for now. 182.75 on Nvidia will be the watch. The contracts have very, very shit volume, for fuck's sake. Very shit volume. Maybe we'll have to go next week 185 calls, bro, because this week doesn't have volume. It doesn't fucking, it genuinely doesn't have volume on that shit. No volume. It doesn't have. It's way too cheap. The contracts are too cheap. Sorry, the contracts are this cheap. Nah, you don't get paid. You don't get paid there, darling. We can do 185 calls for next week, I guess. If it gets above 181.75 on Nvidia, y'all, just keep an eye. Nvidia above 181.75 for 185 calls. Next week, Monday, expiration. If somebody asks me fucking if we're gonna hold this trade till next week, Monday, bro, you and me, we're gonna have a fucking fight right now. All right, this is just a trade. 182.75, yeah, exactly. About 182.75, there you go. All right, bro, we're gonna put the song back on. We're gonna pump this Tesla up a little bit, darling. What do you reckon? You're gonna let these. Man, that 412.2, where I moved the level from. I need to fucking go back and see where the fuck I found the level on 60-minute chart in the pre-market. I must have found the level from something solid. 412.2. What the fuck did I ignore my own level for? Fuck with. I must have found the level somewhere solid that it got rejected that heavy. Very, very good. Very good. I'm still in the trade, so find out. I guess we'll find out what happens. Fuck. Hey, anybody took their profits at 412.2? Fuck, my. At 412.2 was the level, man. Everybody took, fuck. Y'all, look at this shit. Everybody taking profits. And I moved my level and I'm freaking holding that bitch. Oh my God. Very good. Way to go. Way to go, Samesh. Way to go. So while you were looking at Nvidia, we took profits. Very good. That's it, bro. Thank you. Hey, thank you. Yeah, this week was an easy week, fam. This week was an easy week trading. Like, genuinely, it was easy week trading. Probably one of the easiest weeks that we have had. Anybody want to guess why? We're not all-time high market anymore, darling. That's why. Because the market fucking pulled back a little bit. That's why. So, if this pullback continues for a little bit, bro, I'm telling you, It'll be nice. Said, sorry, Sumesh, we feel bad you didn't take profits on Tesla. Right? Fuck. It is what it is, bro. I appreciate you, though. Said Nvidia, you said about 181.7. Yeah, I made a mistake, bro. It was 182.7. It's a 182.75 as a level. Yeah, 182.75. If it gets above that, that's the level that we're watching for 185 calls next week, Monday expiration. Or we were watching that level before. Now we are not, because it doesn't look as sexy. If you only have one contract for Tesla, should we be letting? I mean, if you only have one contract, and have you taken profits though? That's the question. If you have taken profits, then you should be getting the break-even price. But break-even has already would have triggered fucking ages ago. If you didn't take any off, then the original stop loss is the way to go, bro. It's a 200 moving average on Nvidia on a 60-minute chart. How far? That's very, very far away, bro. Shit, like my wife tells me when there's a car approaching on the other side of the road. There's a car. I'm like, babe, that's like fucking near the curvature of the planet. That's how far the... You know what I'm saying? All right. Man, I fucking should not have moved my level. 409.5 is going to be the fucking stop loss, man. This bitch... I'm still in. If it gets below 409.5, that's a stop loss for it. Tesla. I'm still in. Come on, darling. Stop playing around games here. Either hit the stop loss or you fucking bounce from here. Do something. I'm out. Yeah, I'm out of this. What next? Meta, the rejection. VWAP looks good. I didn't like the pullback, man. The pullback on Meta was pretty fucking steep. Like, genuinely really steep. I also hit 0. I don't know if it hit 0.5 Fibonacci, to be honest. My bad. Probably did hit 0.5 Fib. No, it didn't. But that pullback is very, very ugly. I don't know. Did we miss reversal on SPY? Did we? It's like, oh, I missed the lottery from last night. We were not even watching it. You see what I'm saying? Sir, stop hurting your confidence by saying stuff to yourself, man. Unparalleled discipline to respect stop loss. Right? Bro. That's it, man. There's no other way. The only way that I know to succeed long term is do you have a stop loss? You fucking respect it. You jump it out. Since I managed 2 modules, I didn't see QQQ's reject. Look a bit crappy, bro. That Nvidia looks not bad, fam. Not gonna lie. I want to take that Nvidia trade so bad right now. The Nvidia trade looks nice right now, like right now. For calls, It's probably gonna be my last trade of the day. I made fuck ton of money on this trade on Meta from this morning. Don't want to play games, but looks good right now. Like right now, when I say right now. All right. So are you in? I'm in. Yes. It's next Monday. It's Monday's expiration 185. So this thing's gonna be like a slow motion on the contracts, I think. Stop loss on the other side, probably 181.8 ish. So there must be someone who did not take Meta but took Tesla. I mean, exactly what I wrote down, bro. Picking trades from my picks. What could go wrong? You see what I'm saying? What's the max that can go wrong? Hey, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, the next week Monday contracts on Nvidia, they're gonna move like slow motion. Unless until it makes a massive move on this Nvidia, the next level that we have is 184ish, I believe. Let me quickly go check. Yeah, probably 200 moving average on an hourly. Yeah, probably 200 moving average on an hourly. Oh, actually, no, 184 looks decent. 184 is a solid level. Probably a bigger level. Yeah, 184, yeah. So yes, that's a level. That's it. And I'm also looking for see if we can get something. I'm also looking for a little, it's gonna be a little bit risky, but I don't know if you guys want me to call out, because I know for a fact, as soon as I say risky, people just think it's time to sell their house. I'm gonna be looking for a trade on SPX. If there is something if I can spot a trade somewhere around here. But yeah, but pay attention. You guys pay attention to this Nvidia, y'all. Ten-minute charts, yes. 10-minute charts. 10-minute charts on Nvidia looking sexy. Let's see if we can get a push up towards 184. One decent leg up, we should be good. Those contracts, the contracts from Monday, they're still sitting freaking break even. All right, so far good, looking good. Very good. Very, very good chance. That's it. People ask me if I like a trade, if I like Tesla, or if I like PLTR, or if I like SPX. My man, he said, "Do you like ice cream?" Very good. That's it. That's different. Sir, me, no, I don't. Fuck ice cream. Any grown man like loving ice cream? Fuck. It'll be cooked. Unless they go for ice cream with their kids, that's a different story. You understand what I'm saying? That's a different story. But when a grown man leaves the house to get ice cream for himself, bro, hey, I'm telling you, bro, he secretly loved men. Fuck. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I just had a dinner. I gotta go drive on the other side of the freaking town to go get an ice cream. Oh my goodness. Very good. Do I go get an ice cream? Of course. My wife will sometimes be like, "Hey, let's go for ice cream." And I have to go get an ice cream with her. We'll go jump in a golf cart and we'll drive to the place and I'll get ice cream. And I don't want to be one of those guys who takes my wife there. Hey, all the ladies, you let me know. How good is this? I have to be. My wife's like, "This is the perfect thing ever." I'm like, "Well," she knows I don't like ice cream. But I'll still get like the smallest of the small cups when she's getting ice cream. I'm like, "Yeah, I'll get that." Just to give her a company. And they're good. How crazy is that? That I see some people go, "Oh, I'll drive you there, but I don't want it." Right? Yeah, usually I'll get small cup, and I'll take forever to eat. My wife will finish hers, and then she'll fucking finish mine. No, it works out. Nvidia, let's go, darling. Nvidia contracts moving. Congratulations, everybody who's in Nvidia. There we go. Congratulations, y'all. Congratulations. Let's go. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. 20% on this Nvidia. Let's go. You know what, man? What a fucking sexy trade. Hey, how good? He said, "Bro, what do you think this works with women when you want ice cream?" The reason why I think this works, bro, to be honest, really quickly, before then we change the subject. The reason why I think it works is because I have back tested this strategy. If I don't get an ice cream and my wife is getting ice cream, then whole fucking night and the whole next day she gonna ask me the questions, "Babe, do I look fat?" Fuck me, I can't answer that, bro. That fucking does my head in. So I'd rather get an ice cream with her, and she doesn't ask me that. So I back tested this. You see what I'm saying? I back tested this and it works. So yeah, now you know. Hey, life is a back test, bro. You see what I'm saying? You gotta journal the stuff. You gotta reflect on it. You're like, what can I do better next time? All right, that's what I can do better next time. You understand what I'm saying? That's it. It works. All right. um. Before anybody who's new in the chat fucking tells us to focus back on the market, I don't know how comes people are new. They feel like they're comfortable to fucking change the things. You know what I'm saying? Let me change the way they do things here. All right. Let's go, y'all. Good stuff. Nvidia, good trade. Feel free to take a little bit of profits, Carl. Yeah, feel free to take a little bit of profits, guys. This looks nice. So far, very, very good. Good. Very, very good. For anybody that did 0 days to expiration, those contracts would have fucking paid. And if it goes to 184, those contracts will freaking pay sexy. Like when I say sex, hey, I don't know what happened. Somehow I'm just checking this recording after the recordings are done. My recording stopped recording for some reason. Maybe the memory or some shit ran out. Oh man, it's annoying. But anyway, this trade that I was talking, we were doing just then, the Nvidia trade. That was here. After that, I did take SPX rejection as well. That didn't get recorded, but in the real time, we were taking this trade. SPX rejection was happening because of this 10 200 moving average, 10-minute 200 moving average, and we took this rejection. And even earlier, we took this rejection. So it's pretty, it's not bad. And I ended the day, not bad. Ended the day with like $21,800, which is pretty freaking good, especially when it comes with the live login. Like I literally logging into my account. At the end of the day, man, like at the end of the day, if you can do live logins like this, I don't know if you can see this. Let me see if I can take a screenshot and zoom in. All right, so you can do live logins, and you know everything is legit. You're doing everything good, bro. 21,789. Not bad. But yeah, man, these were the few trades that we took. There was one trade that didn't work, actually. The one trade was, I believe, that trade was, what was it? Meta? No, Meta actually was a big runner. There was one trade that I didn't work. I took the trade. Now it's been like freaking hour. My brain's like shutting down at this stage. But it was an absolutely beautiful day, man. I believe. Let's keep it pumping. If you guys want to live trade with me, watching my screens the real time with the real time commentary, check out the first link in the description box below, and I'll see you soon. Peace.